Hey y'all, today we're making a cinnamon crunch banana bread. To a small saucepan, you're going to start by browning off your butter. Once your butter looks like this, you want to set it aside to cool off, and now we can start mushing our bananas. Before y'all come for me in the comments, I know my banana's supposed to be browner, but I was impatient. Okay, leave me alone. Now to a small mixing bowl, you want to add your brown sugar and your brown butter, and you want to give this a good mix before adding the rest of your ingredients. Now you want to add in your bananas, your egg, your vanilla extract, and your milk. Now we're going to mix our dry ingredients. We're going to do flour, baking powder, and salt, and whisk to combine. And now we're going to sift our flour mixture until are wet, and we're going to use a rubber spatula to fold these ingredients together. Now you want to prepare your cinnamon sugar mixture. Very straightforward. Once that's done, set it aside while we do our streusel, which is just flour, brown sugar, cinnamon, and you're going to mix that together before adding in your melted butter, and you're going to mix that until nice crumbs form. And I just did half of my banana bread mixture before adding in the cinnamon sugar, and then I added the rest of my batter on top, some more cinnamon sugar, and then I topped it off with my streusel. You want to bake this at 350 for around 50 to 60 minutes. If you feel like it's browning too much at the top before it's done in the middle, just cover it with some foil. If you guys tried this recipe, let me know in the comments how you like it, and I'll see you guys shortly with a new video. Bye guys!